Today we are going to see something new that can make a passive income. First go to ChatGPT login and then tell ChatGPT to give some book ideas. Generated the book script. Now go to Midjourney and generate image. If you don't know what is Midjourney, then check my channel to watch the video. We have generated an image. Now upscale on image just by clicking U2. Now download it and copy the image address because we are going to generate the same type of images. First pass the image link and describe the new image. It will generate the image as the above image. We have generated all the images required. Now to search Canva, which is a free design tool. Search storybook, click blank story. Now upload your images just by clicking upload file. Now choose the images, copy the script we have generated and set it. Now add more pages and add images according to your story. Copy and paste all the script serially. Add a page on the top and write the introduction for the book. Here, our book is ready. Download it. Now go to Amazon Kindle Direct Publication. Sign up here. And now come back and log in. Now the Kindle dashboard is here. Click on Create. Now click on Create ebook. Write the title of your book. Write the author name and description of the book. Write 7 keywords that best describe your book. It will help someone to find your book. Choose category. And click Save and Continue. Now upload your book that we have generated by using Canva. It will take some time to upload. Scripts have been uploaded. Now click on Launch Cover Creator to create your book cover, or if you have already created it by any other method, you can also upload it. Here, upload your image. Now choose the design you like. You can also edit the text or anything. Now click on Preview. Now click on Save and Submit. Now our book script and cover are all set. Click on Launch Preview to preview how your book is looking. You can also check how it will look on tablet or mobile. Now go back, and the next step is pricing. Choose the royalty plan and input your book price to IT will automatically set all other prices based on your price. And the final step is click on Publish your Kindle ebook. That's all. Now your book is ready, and it will take up to 72 hours to make it available for sale, and here is your first book.